Puerto Rico's industrial real estate market offers significant opportunities for international investors interested in purchasing land for warehouses, energy farms, agricultural projects, and more. However, these opportunities come with a unique set of challenges. Below, we outline these challenges followed immediately by detailed solutions to help investors navigate Puerto Rico's market with confidence. Loudspeaker challenge. Navigating regulatory and bureaucratic hurdles. Investors often face complex permitting processes, confusing zoning laws, and delays caused by multi-agency involvement. Solution. 1. Contact. Begin by reaching out to the Puerto Rico Permit Management Office, Oficina de Gerencia de Permisos, OGPE. 1. They can be contacted at 787-722-2525 or via their website, https://www.pr.gov/ogp. 2. Steps. Request a step-by-step guide on permits required for your specific project. 2. Identify key agencies involved, including the Department of Natural and Environmental Resources, DRNA, for environmental assessments. 3. Timeline. Allow at least 4-6 months for processing, but expedite your case by hiring a local permitting specialist. 4. Legal support. Partner with law firms such as Ferraiuoli LLC or Peter Antoni, Mendez and Alvarez LLC to handle paperwork and ensure compliance. Globe challenge. Finding suitable land for industrial purposes. Locating land that meets the specific requirements for industrial purposes, such as energy farms or foodstuff agriculture, can be difficult due to environmental or geographical constraints. Solution. 1. Where to start? Use the Planning Board's website, Junta de Planificación, at https://jp.pr.gov to search for zoning maps and available land. 2. Tools. Utilize GIS mapping tools like Esri's ArcGIS or government-provided systems for Puerto Rico-specific data. 3. Who to contact. Work with real estate brokers specializing in industrial properties, such as Walter Rivera Santos. 3. Schedule consultations via Walter at phoenixpuertorico.com. 4. Next steps. Prioritize visiting shortlisted sites with a local expert to verify infrastructure, zoning, and proximity to essential utilities. Motorway challenge. Infrastructure limitations. Industrial operations often require reliable utilities, roads, and communications infrastructure, which can be inconsistent in some areas. Solution. 1. Electricity and water. Contact the Puerto Rico Electric Power Authority, PREPA, at 787-521-3434 and the Puerto Rico Aqueduct and Sewer Authority, PRASA, at 787-620-2482 to confirm utility availability for specific locations. 2. Telecommunications. Check with local providers such as Claro or Liberty Puerto Rico for internet and communication needs. 3. Roads and accessibility. Collaborate with local municipalities to explore incentives for infrastructure improvements. 3. Contact the Department of Transportation and Public Works, DTOP, at 787-788-2929. Credit card challenge. Financing and currency issues. While Puerto Rico uses the US dollar, securing financing for large-scale projects through local banks can be restrictive, and foreign investors may face limited loan options. Solution. 1. Banks to contact. Banco Popular, First Bank Puerto Rico, and Oriental Bank offer tailored programs for foreign investors. 1. Schedule a consultation to explore loan options. 2. Alternative financing. Consider international lenders or venture capital firms focusing on industrial projects in the Caribbean. 3. Tax credits. Leverage local incentives, such as Act 60, to reduce overall costs and improve financial viability. Upward trend challenge. Understanding tax incentives and compliance. Puerto Rico's tax incentives, such as those under Act 60, can significantly reduce operational costs, but the qualification and compliance processes are intricate. Solution. 1. Where to begin? Contact the Puerto Rico Department of Economic Development and Commerce, DDEC, at 787-765-2900 or visit https://www.ddec.pr.gov. 2. Legal support. Hire a tax consultant familiar with Act 60. 2. Local experts include BDO Puerto Rico and Kevane Grant Thornton. 3. Who to ask. Request a breakdown of eligibility requirements and application deadlines to ensure timely submission. Globe Challenge. Cultural and language barriers. Spanish is the primary language in Puerto Rico, and business practices often differ from those in mainland U.S. and international markets. Solution. 1. Who to hire. Work with bilingual advisors who can bridge the cultural gap. 1. Brokers like Walter Rivera Santos provide language and negotiation support. 2. Resources. Use tools like DeepL Translator or hire a professional translator for legal documents. 3. Building relationships. Attend local business events hosted by organizations such as the Puerto Rico Chamber of Commerce. Seedling Challenge. Environmental regulations. Projects like energy farms or agriculture often require detailed environmental impact studies and compliance with stringent regulations. Solution. 1. Contact. Reach out to the Department of Natural and Environmental Resources, DRNA, at 787-999-2200 or https://drna.pr.gov. 2. Next steps. Hire an environmental consultant to perform preliminary assessments and guide you through DRNA's approval process. Wrench Challenge. Limited skilled workforce. Industrial projects often require skilled labor, which can be scarce in certain sectors. Solution. 1. Training programs. Collaborate with the Puerto Rico Department of Labor at 787-754-5353 or local universities to create workforce training initiatives. 2. Recruitment. Use platforms like Indeed Puerto Rico or local staffing agencies for targeted recruitment. Puerto Rico's industrial real estate market holds immense potential for international investors willing to navigate its unique challenges. For tailored assistance in finding and investing in industrial properties, contact real estate broker Walter Rivera Santos at walter@phoenixpuertorico.com or via WhatsApp. +1 787 223 2817.